Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to add page number in Microsoft Word. So first open Microsoft Word, then create a new document or open an existing one. Then go to the Insert tab and click on page number and the header and footer group. And now you can select a style. You can add the page number and the top of the page, the bottom of the page, or the page margins, and even current position. So let's insert it at the bottom. Let's select this style, for example. You have multiple styles to choose from. Now you can edit the number. Let's change the size, for example. Just select it and change the size. You can also change the font and the color as well. And once you're done, go to design again and click on close header and footer. Now, if you want to start the page number from a specific page, let's insert other pages. So let's say you want to start numbering from the third page. You have to go to the second page and go to the layout tab, click on breaks, and then select next page. Now go to the third page and double click on the footer. Then uncheck the link to a previous. Now go back to the other pages and delete the numbering. Now go back and right click on the number, then select format page number. Select start at and enter 1. Then click on OK. Now click on close header and footer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.